Hi everybody, so today is the day that I get to unbox my multicolor handbag. Um, I ordered this back January 13th, around that time frame, and the estimated date had come and gone. It was March 4th or 3rd, something around there. And we didn't know what was going to happen. And I ended up just reaching out to customer service, even though I got it at the Beverly Hills store. And I just asked, hey, is there anyone like a higher up you can reach and find out what's going on with this bag? Did they forget about my order because the date has already passed? Just want to find out what's going on. And I didn't hear anything for about 5 days. And then at night, I got this email from LV, from the customer service, that said, we're happy to inform you that your bag has moved from pending status to preparation status and that it will be sent down to your store so you can pick it up. So I quickly looked and I saw that that was true. And then the following morning I looked and it said overnight shipping. And so, yeah, it got to the Beverly Hills store on Friday. And I picked it up on Saturday. So I do have a little clip of me on my Instagram getting it because it was such a gorgeous day. I did some footage on that, a little reel that you could check out, Handbag LVR 13. And also, if you go on the Instagram site, you'll see a couple reels before that. You'll see giveaway, and so I'm doing a giveaway. It's a $50 gift card to Victoria's Secret, and it's just for Instagram followers because I've done things on YouTube already, some giveaways, and I just thought I would do something just for the Instagram people. And so all you have to do is go over there. You have to follow me, like the post that I did or the reel that I did on the giveaway. And then just in the comments of that reel, just write enter. And it's on March 31st, the drawing. So you still have time if you would like to do that. Okay, so let's get back to this. So let me get the box out. So here it is with the little Martian guy, I guess. And this is funny because I was just thinking, I only got two other ones. There's three, right? And I happen to have gotten the onion head guy, and then the other one I got was the panda. So it was just by a fluke that she stuck the Martian guy on there. So now I have all three. I have three and I have all three. No duplicates or anything. So that's super fun. But anyway, so before I open it, I wanted to say, in my prior video, I asked you guys to guess what I got. And it was funny because you guys are good, because I said guess based on, following me, knowing what I like, my taste and all that. And the two that you guys thought it could be were actually the ones that I was thinking of before I selected this one. The first one being the white side trunk. So yeah, the problem with it, it was white. If it was black with silver hardware, that would have been such a contender. But I do already own a side trunk in monogram, and I would prefer to get something completely different at this price point. I want to get something maybe I don't have. But it was definitely doable if it was in black with silver hardware. But the white is just too high maintenance, and I really didn't like how they did the sides in the same color. I like how in the monogram there's different color to it so that it looks more trunkish, So anyway, I passed on that. But then the next bag I looked at was the other one that you guys thought I might have gotten, which was the Speedy 30 in black. And, I do have a Speedy 30 as well in the monogram, and I think I've used it like one time. And I like having it in my collection, but it's just not something I carry enough stuff to use that often. But I looked at that bag, the Speedy 30, and I like the one before better, with the front pocket. Because I just think like in the 30, it's just too much canvas. There's no differentiation. It's just, I think they really missed the mark on this, because I think it could have been such a big money maker for them if they had put an upgraded front pocket like the other one, but like have it upgraded to hold the new iPhone, the Pro Max, those size of phones, something modern. It would have even made, I think, a lot of people that bought the had the pre-collection of the black monogram Speed to even maybe sell it and upgrade to the modern, because we all like to have like the newest and latest, right? But yeah, I mean, the price point for that Speedy 30 is so high. and you don't get any kind of exterior pocket, which like we want now for our phones, right? Just easy access. The other thing was the strap not being adjustable. And I know it comes with the Speedy 30, it comes with a short strap, but they could have thrown in a long strap with that price point. And they could have poked some holes in it and made it adjustable, because even in the Speedy 25, it came with a long strap, but they didn't make it adjustable, which I kind of find like insulting, to pay all that money. I mean, you can go to TJ Maxx and spend 50 bucks and get, a strap with some holes poked in it to be adjustable, right? So I think that they missed the mark on that. So knowing all that, I'll give you another little hint. This one is a new style bag. It hasn't been out for long. So it was not in the original collection, which I like. It's something different. And yes, let's go ahead and unbox this. Now, the only thing I didn't get was the tissue, which I guess I'm not getting at all because Rio Drive never even had it when I got the other pieces. And I've only seen it wrapped pretty much with like perfumes or bandeaus. So, all right, here we go. Oh my gosh, you guys, they gave me the tissue. This is tripping me out because, what? I've never seen any of the bags get a box of tissue that I could think of. She even gave me like an extra piece, and I've never mentioned it. How weird and crazy and fun is that? Now I've got everything. Okay, we're off to a very good start. All right, I'm liking this. Okay, you guys, I'm getting nervous. Wow, this is so cool that she did that. So, got the sticker on there. Yeah, so getting back to the online email they sent me, I don't know if that helped me getting the bag, if it like triggered like, oh wait, we forgot her bag. I don't know. We'll never know. But, just always contact anyone you can think of and it could help, right? It might have helped me get this. Okay, so, wow, that was super sweet of her to do that. Okay, so I got this nice big tissue. Okay, again, I have never seen this in person. Okay, what did I get? Oh my gosh, it's so shiny and pretty. Black or white. Smells so good. You guys, oh my gosh. Oh, look at this beauty. Oh, you guys, it's so gorgeous. Like the sheen on it, you can see. It is so pretty. So this is the on-the-go East-West. So we know the East-West is like what's happening right now. And it's a style that can stay forever because, oh, look at that. And the other thing I loved about this was that they have the hot pink all over it. Because now you're stuck with like whatever scheme they pick on each item because it's all the same. Look at that. They got the hot pink at the bottom and the middle. Where's the other? They have the hot pink over there on the top. So they have it on the bottom, on the top, on the side. Oh my gosh, you guys. And then this is how it looks underneath. Okay. This is so finely made. I didn't even notice that it has these studs here on the corner, on the top 4 corners there. How beautiful. Actually, this is the lighter pink, which is gorgeous as well. Look how pretty that is. I think it is. Yeah, the lighter pink. Like, that's awesome. How pretty is that? Okay, so they picked and then they have the blues, which I love as well. The bright light ones. So pretty. And then look, I'm going to tell you why this was the go-to for me, okay? I didn't realize that the on-the-go East-West has compartments and dividers because the regular on-the-goes, the bigger size ones, are like a big pit. Look at this. They have a zipper that goes all the way down. It's spaced with 2 zippers on top with these big substantial silver hardware zippers, which, as we all know, I love silver hardware, especially on black. Like, I don't know why people were tripping out wanting gold on black. For me, silver goes with gold, especially when it's like all black, handles and everything, and the freshness and everything. It goes with that. I think gold goes with the brown monogram perfectly more than silver, but I think this is perfect. I love how there's no vachetta on it. I love that there's no maintenance on it. You know, the white is beautiful as well. I love the white, but I kind of stuck with SLGs on that without the vachetta just because I want pieces of it, but I don't want to be like fully committed. Having a white bag plus the vachetta trim, it was just going to be like fully high maintenance, and I can't deal. It would be too stressful. This is so perfect for me with the black on black. But yes, the on-the-go East-West, I did not realize, basically has an XXL jumbo built-in wallet. I mean, basically is what you can say, right? And the price point doesn't make sense compared to, if you're comparing it to the Speedy. If you think about the Speedies and the Almas and stuff, you know, they're big pits, right? But this has compartments, you guys. This has a lot of compartments on the East-West version only, which I was not aware of until I looked at it more online. So of course you got the full zipper that opens all the way up, okay? But not only that, okay? You know how I love having an exterior pocket for my phones, right? Especially full-size phones. So this comes with a slip pocket here, a full length, it's hard to open, but a full length slip pocket here where you can just slide your phone in and out. Not have to open the bag at all. It doesn't, even when I was talking about the Speedy, it would be nice if they had the exterior pocket. You don't even have to deal with opening the flap and reaching your arm over. Like, it's right there, okay? But they didn't stop there, okay? Not only did they do an opening here, they also did one on the back as well. So there is a opening here, and I just noticed this too, that they included the canvas trim at the top there. But that's all the way open down as well, and then they have the trim folding over there so you can still see part of it peeking out. Like, how cute is that? So, okay, hello, they did all these compartments so you can put your phone either in the front or the back. You can put your valuables in the middle. So I don't have anything like this. I mean, I just think that that is so cool. Okay, let's get into the straps, because this is like a 2-for-1 bag, because you can use this as an evening bag or as a casual day-to-day bag. So let me show you that. Okay, so this comes with a casual strap that is adjustable. Okay, so we have that, which is amazing. So you can adjust this and wear it as crossbody or just like a shoulder bag. And then if you so choose, you can wear this as an evening bag, which when I go out for the evenings, I typically wear black or just dark solid, so that would be perfect. Or you can wear this as a necklace if you wanted to and just wear it like that. How gorgeous it is with the little ball things in there, say Louis Vuitton. I mean, it's just such a beautiful chain. The cute little clochette that you can put on as well. Again, super cute. Okay, so it's got the silver lock, it's got the keys that you can put in as well. So yeah, they gave you like everything in this, you know, they gave you everything. And I just think it's super cute. I get some mod shots. How cute. Okay, so then also I just wanted to get a little closer. So there's adjustments. I've never used this strap before. I've never had a bag with this. I think they're cool though. So you can unsnap the top that made it into a long, and there's a snaps here and here where you can open this, reslide it, and make it into a short shoulder strap. How cool is that? I love it. Amazing. Love this bag so much. The other thing I was thinking, I mean, I'm wondering if it would look cute with the pinks and stuff, is I have for my Color Mania in silver hardware, the, you know, luggage tag. I wonder how it would look, wonder how it would look on this too, like just kind of like hanging like a little ornament. Like, that could be really cute too, right? You know, as now that I was talking about that Color Mania tag, I remembered I have the Keep All strap that's in the hot pink that would match the multicolor LV pink, and it's got the silver hardware. So let's have some fun and try it with that one, which is also adjustable as well. Okay, so here it is with the hot pink or Color Mania pink, if you have that additional strap. You can see it matches this pink perfectly. Actually, yeah, it could go with both. I mean, they both look really pretty. But yeah, it works really nice. There's the little keep all attachment. You could see matches that top pink really well, doesn't it? My favorite pink. Yeah, so I mean, you could have fun with it, you know, make it a little different. People are gonna be like, wow, that's so cute with the hot pink and all that, right? Oh, well, you guys, this is too fun. Okay, well, anyways, I hope you enjoyed my video and let me know your thoughts. And until next time, bye.